So, you're thinking about using a VPN to boost your Google reviews. Hold on a second, because this seemingly simple trick could land you in a whole heap of trouble. Okay, so what's the issue? Well, Google's algorithms are pretty smart and are designed to detect unusual activity using a VPN to post reviews from multiple locations, especially if they're all overwhelmingly positive and done in a short period of time, is a huge red flag. Here's how people try to do it first. They fire up a VPN and connect to a server in a different city or country. They might change servers frequently to create the illusion of numerous reviewers from different locations. Then, they go to your Google business profile and attempt to leave a review, hoping that Google will associate that review with the VPN's location, rather than their actual one. But here's the catch: Google can detect VPN usage, and they frown upon manipulating reviews. The consequences range from your reviews being flagged and removed, to your entire Google business profile being penalized or even suspended. Ultimately, genuine, organic reviews are way more valuable than any artificial boost you might get from using a VPN. Authentic feedback builds trust and helps your business thrive in the long run. So, ditch the VPN shortcut, focus on providing excellent service, and let your happy customers speak for themselves. It's the only sustainable way to build a solid online reputation.